Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about security, the wireless smart lock for your bicycle, your bike, your housing gates or your valuables. Let's go. And what's inside the box is the manual itself, the lock, the battery cover and one screwdriver. So these battery are not included. These are the AAA size battery. 3 pieces is what you need. Let's put back this battery cover. If not, it will not work. So let's say you put in the battery. You hear the teet sound. Alright. So let's put back the battery cover. You need to screw in tight. If not, it will not work. It will not pair with your handphone. And this lock is waterproof. So let's pair it up with my handphone. And one more thing, you need to get it locked before you pair with your handphone. Alright. So before pairing, you can easily press this button, you can unlock it. Alright. So once you lock it, just press and hold. You hear the toot sound, meaning it's locked. So you can't unlock this thing. So we can start the pairing. And what you need to do now is to download this Sohely apps. So after you download, you need to activate it. And there's a plus sign over here. Click it and scan for device. So you start searching and the password is 123456. Later you can change the password. So 123456 and okay, after you enter the password, you come to this screen and you can see it's already paired up with this Bluetooth lock. So what you need to do is unlock it. Okay, you can press, you unlock. Alright, so when you want to lock, the same thing, press, hold, this is locked. Right, you can see it's locked, unlock, press. So it's simple usage here. Let's take a look at the design. So this chain over here is about 77 centimeter long and is very tough and durable. So this is the speaker which sounds the alarm. The alarm is very loud. It's about 115 dB. And this is the unlock button. And this blue LED indicates that it's on the Bluetooth mode. And then this is the unlock switch. So once you unlock it with your handphone, just press it and pull up. So if your battery falls below about 20%, when you unlock it, you have 2 serious sound, teet, and this will warn you that the battery is getting low. And if you didn't change the battery and the battery falls below about 5%, the blue indicator light will become red, warning you that you need to change the battery. And how secure is this lock, or how good it is? Let's take a look. It's got the anti-cutting function, meaning that if someone tries to cut the cable, it will sound the alarm immediately and will stop only after you pair with your apps. Okay, the next one, anti-disassembling function. If you unscrew the battery covers, it will trigger the alarm immediately and will stop only after you pair with your apps. So I have tried this and it nearly annoys my neighbors because it's really noisy. And to pair up with the apps, you need to reset the apps and then put back the cover and screw tight. It will take some time for you to do that, so don't try it unnecessarily. Okay, and the next one is the vibration function. So vibrating or moving the lock triggers alarm for 30 seconds. So anyone who tries to hit with a hammer or try to pull the lock, it will trigger the alarm. And it's waterproof. The grade is IP55, and the alarm sound is very noisy, 115 dB. Alright, it's like, and this lock is actually not a budget lock. It costs about 20 USD, but compare it with the price of your valuables and your precious bike or bicycle. I think this is a small money and a good investment for a secure and durable tough lock. Alright, and this is another group of great YouTubers that I would like to say thanks and show some appreciation towards them for their tremendous support. Do check out their links below for their channel, as they are some great content creators. Alright, and I hope you guys do like this video and find it helpful. Do hit the bell, hit the like, and please subscribe, because I've got some more budget gadget coming up for review. So stay safe and healthy, and bye.